Hello everyone, this is DP Singh from Educare Academy and Overseas. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 reasons why you should choose Germany. Those 5 reasons after which watching this video, you'll have no doubt to select Germany as your study destination. So before I discuss about the 5 reasons, let me give you the basic information about Germany. Germany is the largest economy of Europe and it is the third largest in the whole world. Germany require no IELTS for applying study visa, and its capital Berlin and Munich, they are the most preferred location for international students. So let us begin with the point number 1, which is world-class universities. So Germany has the best universities in the world which are globally ranked good, and they also provide the degrees which are recognized internationally. So German universities are divided into 3 categories. First is technical universities. These universities are more research based universities. Second is University of Applied Sciences. These are also known as Hochschule or Volkshochschule. As comparison to technical universities, they are more practical oriented. And third is the University of Art, Film and Science. All these 3 type of universities, they teach the students how to apply their study in the practical world. Second point is low tuition fees. The tuition fees in Germany is comparatively lower to the other countries. For example, Canada, Australia, UK and New Zealand. We don't have to pay a semester fee or an year fees in Germany. We just have to pay a holding fees before our visa, and after when we get our visa, we can pay to the university in installments when we get there. Third point is low fund requirement. In Germany, you have to prove that you are capable enough to cover your living expenses annually, which amounts to 860 euro per month, and annually it becomes 10,360 euros approximately, which as compared to Australia, UK and New Zealand, it becomes 20 to 25 lakhs. And trust me, not everyone can afford this amount. Fourth point is work opportunities. So while you are on study visa in Germany, you can work 120 full days and 240 half days in a year. So while you study, you can work 20 hours a week, and in holidays you can work full time. So according to me, you can work 4 hours per day or 10 hours on the weekends. So in that way you can concentrate more on your academics. In Germany, you can easily get a part-time job in restaurant, malls and stores where the minimum wage rate is approximately 10 euros, which is comparatively higher to Canada and Australia. And there are also some job related to student in which you can earn 15 to 18 euros per hour. The fifth and the most important point is PR opportunities. After your degree and your education, your study visa will expire immediately and you have to apply for your post-study work visa. And by that time, you will be comfortable doing a decent job because due to your study experience and part-time work, you will be capable enough and you will be comfortable enough to do that job, and you will be familiar to a German language because we Educare Academy provide free German classes in the same university where you are doing your degree. But our main goal is to get a decent job through which we can apply our PR. But be careful, we should get a job which is related to our degree or course which we have done. Germany will always give you preference because it always prefer its students over any other EU citizens. So that will be a big advantage for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and for more information please subscribe our channel, and you can reach to our numbers which are provided in the slide below. Thank you.